tell me how to be closer to you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be stuffing my bills binder as well as my variable expense binder, which is my cash envelope binder. And then I also made a 100 envelope challenge to save $5,050. So I am starting that today. So let's get started. We're gonna start with my bills binder. This is my new super cute bills binder. I did change it up. Before I had the beige croc binder, but this one has my name here. I don't know how you say it, like engraved or whatever. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, these are coming soon. They're still being made at the factory. So yeah, so I'll let you guys know when these will be available. And I usually post on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and check out my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. So yeah, so rent we already paid. And by the way, these envelopes are from Dietitian Budget. I will also leave her link down below. I'm not sure if she has YouTube, but I know she has Instagram, so I'll leave her Instagram down below. So rent we already paid. Streaming is getting $11, so we're gonna do a 10 and a 1. 11, and this is for Netflix. Super cute envelopes, you guys. Okay, so Wi-Fi I already paid. Electricity paid. Cell phone is getting $220. We're gonna do 100, 250s, and a 20. So that is 100, 150, 200, 220. Okay, I love them. My sinking funds are not getting stuffed, but my my student loan is getting something. So student loan is getting $10. So student loan has 50, and I'll do that after the video. So we're done with this. So I usually use like my Etsy income to stuff my sinking funds. So this money is not from Etsy, and that's the reason why I'm not stuffing my sinking funds. So next is my variable expense binder. Let's see, home essentials is only getting $2 because I just spent, I think it was like $52 on like toilet paper, toothpaste, and stuff like that. So it's only getting $2. Guys, don't mind the siren and the wind just blowing. Okay, transportation is not getting anything. Thai is getting 76, and this is the reason why it's 76 is because it's 10% of whatever I brought in. So that's 50, 70, 75, 76. Oh my God. And spending is getting a $20 bill. I have a receipt in here from Dunkin' earlier today that I bought some coffee. Self-care is getting a 20. Laundry is not getting anything. I did laundry already. And then business is not getting anything. Guys, so I have this little A7 pouch, but the zipper part broke. Yeah, so I need to buy another one. So I'm using this little pouch for coins. And yeah, and my shop is opening tomorrow at 11 a.m. So tomorrow's Saturday. So if you guys are interested in these binders or envelopes, make sure to check them out. All right, so one thing I did forget in this binder is my savings challenge. So we're gonna go back in here, and this is what the challenge looks like. So I'm also gonna have this in my shop if you guys are interested. This is the 100 envelope cardstock inside this vinyl lettering envelope. So yeah, so we're gonna do, let me see how much we have left. 100, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, and then 1. So we're gonna do 171. So let me grab my marker. So this is, we're gonna do 18 envelopes. So I'm just gonna mark them off. I don't want to color them right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18, and this is getting 171. Alright, you guys, well, that's it for today. This was a super short video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
You and I could run away.